Welcome! I'm so glad you took the time to check us out. We would love to help you. We will work with you to find the best options for you based on your budget. We take customer satisfaction very seriously. Let's get started.
If you're looking for a reliable and professional carpet cleaning service for your home or business, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local carpet cleaning service around, and we're committed to having satisfied customers and handling all of your carpet cleaning needs. High quality work and safety are a top priority for us. We would love to share more about how we can help. Contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We would love to share more about how we can help you. Call today to schedule a free consultation. Contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.